Halo teman-teman pelaut semua ataupun bukan pelaut, Jales Pepa Jaya Mahe di Laut Jaya di darat berkarya. Ini kali ini kita perayaan Hari Kemerdekaan. Nah, ini pasukan pengibar bendera kita, ya.
Udah dilantik dia.
Udah dilantik kemarin ya, walaupun kita terlambat ya tanggal 23 berapa ini tanggal 22 ya?
Bendera ya.
Tanggal 22 tapi kita tetap masih bisa merayakannya. Sebagai warga Indonesia yang baik ya.
Wah, terima bendera dari Indonesia gitu.
Wah, on request katanya ini. Nah, menunya ini ada serundeng sapi ya. Ada ayam terong balado, ada urap urap kacang panjang. Ini wah, ini bakso sapi nih. Wah, ini mantul betul-betul ini. Ini. Ada juga tomato sambal. Oh, tomato sambalnya mana ini? Spicy, sweet sauce, gado-gado. Banyak ini showbreakernya ini. Ini dessertnya ini. Nah, dessertnya ada pisang goreng ya, banyak sekali nih. Ya, dessert-dessertnya. Oh, ada bakwan juga ini. Ya, bakwan, sate. Oh, ini masnya ini. Ini dia bagian panitia ini. Semua dia yang ngatur semua, mas ini. Leh, jadi di lain sana kurang satu leh, suruh jagain dulu. Nanti lu kalau udah habis di sini, baru lu jagain ke sini. Ini kru Indonesia. Wah, nggak ada suaranya. Merdeka! Merdeka! Masa nyanyi yang kenceng Pada kemana semua ini? Soleh. Kebening Jim, kebening.
Kayak orang dia pokoknya guru.
Ayo tuh joget dulu kali itu ayo.
Pondok itu kan ketinggalan masih mau tadi kemana?
Ini. Jip. Halo. Thank you. Nah, ini atasan-atasan kita ya. Dari mulai kapten, staf kapten sampai ke bawah sampai HR ya. Itu bisa nggak mereka duduk ini di sini nggak apa-apa kali? Atur dulu.
I used to conduct wine tasting, but this kind of thing is first time for me, so so I would like to welcome you all once again. So on behalf of 210 Indonesian crew on board Celebrity Silhouette, I thank you all the executive committee. Thank you Captain Matt, Staff Captain George, Chief Engineer Mr. Constantinos, Hotel
And the other one.
Surprise ya. Ada dua-duanya ya.
And Hotel Director, Ms. Deborah, and HR Director, of course, Ms. Tracy. Welcome once again. Thank you for coming to our 79th Indonesian Independence Day celebration, as well as all officers, staff, and crew. And I would like to say a big thank you also for all the head department, for Mr. Melvin, for Executive Chef, and my boss, Mr. Chris. Without all your help, this thing will not happen. So thank you so much for all your support. So, ladies and gentlemen, the proclamation of Indonesian Independence Day was read on Friday, 17th August 1945 in Jakarta. The declaration marked the start of the diplomatic and armed resistance of the Indonesian National Revolution, fighting against the forces of Netherlands and pro-Dutch civilians, until the latter officially acknowledged Indonesia's independence in 1949. So, ladies and gentlemen, we will start the celebration with the flag ceremony, accompanied by Indonesian national anthem. So, dipersilakan kepada seluruh kru Indonesia untuk memberikan penghormatan kepada Sang Saka Merah Putih sambil menyanyikan lagu Indonesia Raya.
Ya. Ya. Kepada Sang Saka Merah Putih, hormat!
Indonesia tanah airku, tanah tumpah darahku. Aku berdiri jadi pandu ibuku. Indonesia kebangsaanku, bangsa dan tanah airku. Marilah kita bersatu, Indonesia bersatu. Hiduplah tanahku, hiduplah negeriku, bangsaku, rakyatku semuanya. Bangunlah jiwanya, bangunlah badannya untuk Indonesia Raya. Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, tanahku, negeriku yang ku cinta. Indonesia Raya.
So the national flag of Indonesia, which is known as Sang Saka Merah Putih, or the sacred red and white, the design of the flag has remained the same since the first Indonesian Independence Day ceremony on August 17, 1945. The red color represents the courage, and then white represents purity of intent. Ladies and gentlemen, as some of you know, maybe some of you didn't know, Indonesia is a country full of diversity. Over 237 million Indonesians live in harmony. There are 1,340 recognized ethnic groups in Indonesia, making it one of the most diverse countries in the world. Indonesia. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our banded dancer. We gonna dance together. Alright.
Kurang keras itu ya. Jaipongan itu.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy it. So ladies and gentlemen, now we will continue the ceremony with the cutting cake ceremony by the captain. So Captain Matt, please. Please come forward and help us to
Siapa itu?
cut the cake.
Pisaunya ada belum?
Elvis, what are the gold knives? Minus one. Okay, very nice. So, happy Independence Day.
Thank you. Very good.
Very nice. So, everybody, very good evening. First of all, on behalf of myself and the rest of the executive committee, I would like to as well say happy 79th Indonesian Independence Day. It's our honor and pleasure to be part of this celebration, counting 212 people from Indonesia on the ship. Actually, not 210. They came to today. So, of course, needless to say that Indonesians, they are the majority of our department as well. So I had the luck, the pleasure, and the honor to work with many of you in the last 25 years that I've been in the company. Wonderful people, always positive, always helpful. Limited problems, limited challenges towards the vessel. So we really appreciate all what you have done to make Celebrity who we are now. And I heard a few things that you said about Indonesia, but I have prepared a few more. Not only the good ones, I have prepared some bad ones. No, bad ones everybody knows, but I would like to say first of all that we all know about the active volcanoes. Okay, Indonesia has more active volcanoes than any other country in the world, with around 130.
Yes.
The most famous is the Mount Merapi and Mount Rinjani, but they are among them. Another very nice thing that is, of course, many of these special pieces are prepared. I can tell you that I'm not going to stay for dinner because you have arrived early, but thank you. But traditional cuisine is definitely something that Indonesia is very famous for. Each region has its own specialities. With this is like nasi goreng, rice, satay, stewed meat, rendang, spicy beef stew. That they are ones of the most popular. Use of spices, coconut milk, and fresh herbs define much of the culinary tradition. And now a few funny things about Indonesia.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you. Such a pleasure to be here. Such an honor. I do always say, coming from the Netherlands, that I'm also a little bit uncomfortable because it's a history that I'm not going to talk too much about it, but our countries are now together. You are now, of course, separate, but we always are connected. We have the same words and languages, and thank God for bringing your food to the Netherlands. We would have not survived without your food. The best food in the world. Again, to be be with you all here. It's such a pleasure and honor, and I think Tracy has something very special for you.
After this, I go up.
Now we will welcome all the executive committee first to enjoy our beautiful Indonesian cuisine, followed by all the officers. And crew members will be after all the officers. And then we will open the other line also for the crew members. So, ladies and gentlemen, please, I hope you enjoy
So-
the food that we are preparing.
Nih kita makanannya ya. Oh banyak sekali nih. Ini lagi antri sembako kali ini. Gado-gado ini. Gado-gado. Take it more eh. Chip, take it more. Sate. Wah ini antri juga ini. Mana man? Aman man.